I was pleased to see a retrenchment, really a refocus on what we know works, what we know we can, what we can do, what we do well, how we can do what we already do well better, and of course, adding a few of the extra steps to better build our client relationships, to better deliver on our promises.
Well, my main expectation was indeed to learn from the all of the share of ideas and knowledge, and also to perceive if my assumptions of my challenges and my problems were also similar to other people and departments.
I think the panel discussions at the end of each section was really useful.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It brought a lot of experience from people that are in the field for several years.
Yeah.
And also, I guess that enhance all the importance of good communication.
Yeah, absolutely.
My main discovery following the conference was the strategy how to wake up in a world where every neighbor is a friend. It is just to stop dividing ourselves in clients and service provider, because every client is someone's service provider and every service provider is someone's client.
During the conference, I got to know the people, understand the project so much more. There's so much more work going on than I really understood or anticipated. And the enthusiasm of the team members was just incredible, and their dedication to their clients.
Also for the takeaway message, I take away message how to be more proactive with the client and also provide some different solution for them in different way and more active way.
It was a very useful time spent with lots of practical takeaways and encouragement to hear all the stories and case studies, and it was a very inspirational time for me and definitely inspired and encouraged me to create a more intimate relationship with my clients.
Before this meeting, I didn't have so many expectations because I didn't participate to any conference like that. I'd like to say that was very interesting, very useful, and very challenging and interactive.
And I want to thank Arriello for inviting me to this conference. My expectations before this conference were really to get to know everybody. I was a little bit anxious to understand the questions that would be coming my way, and they were very, very good all around.
I come here with an open mind, expect to talk about the business.
Yeah.
And how, because for us, we are technical people, so I think it's also important to understand the business part and how this develops.
Yeah, and that we come a little bit closer to that part of the business itself that we are not so in contact with.
From a sales perspective, we can always make a lot of promises, but ultimately my colleagues in operations and technical, all the other support functions, my word to our clients is only as good as they're able to deliver and our ability to support them to deliver. So that was another one of my main takeaways. Really enthusiastic responses from all divisions, all members of the team. Everybody was clearly paying attention and thinking hard about what they could do to improve what we do collectively as a whole.
The outcome. Well, I'm really proud of all of us and of all of this journey that we have been building. And I guess that we have such a great team to improve, to grow, and to have a brilliant brand in the market.
Yep.
What I took away from the conference was just a feeling of family and cohesiveness. The company here and all the employees should be very proud of what they've built, and I wish you guys all the best of luck going forward.
The take-home message, I think, is to remember how important the communication is and how important it is to be genuine with ourselves and with our clients.
Exactly, and how to make yourself a part of their team as well, and not just, a distant collaboration, because in the end we're all working together towards the same goals and objectives. And I think it's easier if we do that as a team and not as two different identities. So that was a good message to take with us.
Yes, happy clients.
Yes.